Anshika Farzana and I make beauty and lifestyle content. Today I have a challenge for myself where other beauty creators or YouTubers choose my makeup products. Now I was so much excited for this video because I have some lovely, gorgeous and talented beauty creators out there. And being a new creator in this field, I was so much happy to just collaborate with all of these people, and I really thank all of you for collaborating with me and giving out options for my makeup products. I have so many beautiful creators starting from Cherry Jan, then we have Alina, then we have Sara Sarosh, then we have Dimpy, and then we have Sara Khan. So all of their Instagram handles and YouTube links will be given down in the description. Make sure to check out all of them because they are so awesome. And this is what my final look has turned out. Watch the video how I have experimented in my look, and I'm so excited to film this video. Oh my god. And finally this is what the look has turned out to be. So do watch the video and support all of them. First, I'm just going with my basic moisturizer and primer. So moisturizer के लिए I have Lakme का soft cream moisturizer. And for primer मेरे पास ये Blue Heaven का primer है. So I'm just going on with this primer. So after my basic skincare, हम लोग next step पे चलते हैं जो है फाउंडेशन. मैंने फाउंडेशन के लिए मैंने चेरी को आस्क किया था. So Cherry is also a YouTuber and she has also a very beautiful Instagram page. So मैं सबका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी एंड सबको यहाँ पे मैं मेंशन भी कर दूंगी. So thank you so much Cherry for providing me the video.
Okay, thank you so much for making me a part of your video firstly, and as you have given me the option of foundation and the brushes and blenders, so I would say that go for the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Yep, that would be great. And for the blenders and brushes, I would suggest that go with the blenders because that just do a great job in my opinion. So yeah, just go with that, and can't wait to see your final look.
मुझे याद है मैं चेरी को थर्सडे को बोली कि सी वी हैव अ वीडियो लाइक दिस, सो इफ यू वांट यू कैन गिव मी द वीडियो, सो प्लीज रिप्लाई. शी सेड दैट यस आई लव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ योर वीडियो एंड जस्ट शी गेव मी विद इन 3 days. शी गेव मी ऑन संडे इटसेल्फ. चेरी हैज आस्क्ड मी टू गो विद द Maybelline Fit Me foundation and a beauty blender, which is of course my go-to product, beauty blender. Because I'm not that much accustomed with brushes, I use beauty blenders only. I was very much fascinated with this idea of that other YouTubers decide my makeup, so that is the reason मैंने सोचा कि यार चलो let's make this video. मैंने सबको Instagram पे ढूंढा and then सबको मैंने मैसेज किया. I have readily agreed to be a part of my video, which I'm very grateful to all of you guys. So I saw this video on so many other YouTubers channel, Mridul Sharma, Hailey Wade. So I am done with my foundation, and thank you so much Cherry for giving me your options of foundation and beauty blender. So let's move to the next step. Next step is of concealer. Also asked about eyeshadow along with the concealer. So मैंने इस option को Alina को दिया था. So Alina is also another beauty influencer. She is also a YouTuber. उसका Instagram handle and YouTube का link मैं सब description box में डाल दूंगी.
Hi Ishika, thank you so much for making me a part of your video. So as you've given me options for the concealer and the eyeshadow, I would like you to go with a no concealer, plus for the eyeshadow go with the green Beauty Glaze palette, and can't wait to see your final look.
She has asked me to go with a no concealer look and with the green Beauty Glaze palette. So now this is one thing that I have never done. मैंने कभी भी बिना concealer use करके eyeshadow नहीं किया है. And this is the reason मैंने थोड़ा सा अपने आई एरिया पे फाउंडेशन लिटिल बिट दे दिया है. एंड आई जेन्युइनली डोंट नो हाउ दिस लुक विल टर्न आउट, क्योंकि आजकल मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स जो है वो काफी ज्यादा बढ़ गया है. एंड इफ आई वोंट यूज कंसीलर, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. सो एंड आई ऑल्सो यूज द ग्रीन ब्यूटी ग्लेज पैलेट. सो दिस इज माई ग्लेज ब्यूटी का पैलेट एंड शी हैज आस्क्ड मी टू गो विद द ग्रीन पैलेट. सो इसका मतलब है कि मैं इस पैलेट को ही सिर्फ यूज करूंगी. And so let's see what we can do. So I'm using this shade for my crease. Okay, so I think without concealer also the color payoff is looking good. Let's see how this look turns out to be. So just giving some depth effect with this one. I have went with this shade also. What my final eyeshadow looks like. I will go with this yellow shade also in my inner corners. So I'll just go with this green shade in my lower lash line also. Okay guys, I just forgot to do my brows and I have not assigned anyone for my brows because what experiment we can do with the brows. So that is the reason taking this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit to do my brows. Because of this heavy eyeshadow, I'll keep my brows thoda sa simple. Okay, so I have done my brows. So before applying eyeliner, I will just go on with my setting spray. So I'm using this Wet n Wild ka Photo Focus setting spray. Setting spray part is done. I hope Alina तुमको पसंद आया होगा. So Alina is such a sweet girl I have ever talked to. So I know her from before only because like when I started my this journey, so I was actually talking with her and she was so kind to make me understand so many things so well, and I'm so thankful to her. And yeah, so thank you so much Alina for helping me out with my makeup and collaborating with me. So let's move to the next step. Next step is liner and lashes, for which I have Sara Sarosh.
Hi Shika, hi everyone who's watching. So for your lashes today, I wanted you to do a dramatic lash because that's what I like to do. And for your liner, I want you to challenge yourself with a winged liner. Go all out and let your makeup speak. This is the combination that I love doing on myself as well. So I hope it looks good on you. I can't wait to see the final look.
So she has asked me to go with the dramatic lashes and a winged liner. I also love dramatic lashes, but somehow I haven't tried it ever. I don't know why, because I feel that my eyes won't look that good and all. Let's see what happens. Winged liner is also my go-to favorite, so let's do it. For my liner, I have this Lakme Insta liner, जो कि मेरा of course favorite है. मैं इसको use करूँगी अभी, and I'll create a winged eyeliner. So this is what my liner looks like and I'm super happy with my liner. The next step is the dramatic lashes. For dramatic lashes, so I have the Swiss Beauty lashes. So I have this dramatic lashes, so I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so guys, I'm back with my lashes. Oh my god, I'm super happy with these lashes, and my experience with dramatic lashes was bad, very bad, like last time I applied, but this time it looks super pretty on my face. Thank you Sara for recommending me these lashes and this liner. So honestly speaking, I'm watching Sara from a very long, and it was a dream come true for me that I'm collaborating with her. And literally when she said that yes, I'll do, see, I had no hopes for it that she will collaborate. Of course, it's not possible for every creator to just collaborate with everyone, right? So I had no expectation, but then she was like, go ahead and say me whatever you want to do. I was like, oh my god. And that day I couldn't do any of my work. I was just going to my mom and saying, Mom, she is collaborating, because मेरे मुँह पे सारा हमेशा लगा ही रहता है. Thank you so much Sara for giving me my options for my makeup. So now moving to the next step. So the next step is for blush, contour and highlighter, which I gave to Dimpy. Both of you, Sara and Dimpy, congratulations for hitting 100k. Of course, I know बहुत दिन पहले ही 100k हो गया है, but still I really like to congratulate you again virtually. And silver play button भी आ गया है, but still the celebration never ends. So okay, so now the blush, contour and highlighter was given to Dimpy.
Hi Ashika and hi guys, how are you all? I'm super duper excited and so happy to be a part of her video. Okay, so my topic is blush, highlight and contour, and obviously I'm here to make this challenge even more exciting. Okay, so थोड़ा सा twist देके अपना, मैं ब्लश लगाना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करती हूँ. सो जो ब्लश आप लगाओगे वो हैवी होना चाहिए, ठीक है, हैवी ब्लश. एंड द शेड विल बी कोरल, पीच और ऑरेंज टोन में. एंड आप ब्लश लगाना अपने चीक्स पे, नोज पे, थोड़ा सा यहाँ. ओके, सो इस 3 पार्ट पे आपको ब्लश लगाना है. एंड फॉर द हाइलाइटर शुड बी नेचुरल एंड उसका शेड होना चाहिए गोल्ड, प्योर गोल्ड. थोड़ा सा येलो के टिंट में होगा तो अच्छा होगा, बट हाइलाइटर शुड बी प्योर गोल्ड. एंड आपको नोज़ पे बहुत अच्छा खासा हाइलाइटर लगाना है. ओके, सो फॉर कॉन्टोर स्किप द नोज़ एंड एंटायर फेस पे कॉन्टोर करना है. एंड हमने ब्लश हैवी रखा है तो कॉन्टोर को लाइट रखते हैं. एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू सी कि वीडियो कैसे टर्न आउट होगा.
So So का चैनल मुझे through shorts से मिला था. So I was loving her shorts very much, like very much, and I was just watching her shorts only. So then I had got this idea, why not ask Dimpy to do this? So thank you so much Dimpy for giving me the video. So उसकी भाई की शादी थी मगर फिर भी उसने मेरे लिए टाइम निकाल के एक वीडियो दिया, which I'm very grateful to you, and thank you so much. And your shorts videos are awesome. Keep doing them. Dimpy has asked me to go with a coral peach blush. इसने मुझे इस एरिया पे, अपने नोज एरिया पे, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा. So she has asked me to do a heavy blush. Now I'm not that a blush person because I keep my blush थोड़ा सा low and highlighter थोड़ा सा high. I am that type of person. But she has asked me to do a heavy blush look today, and I'm very excited to try a new thing. So this was one of my major reasons to do this video कि यार बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलता है, आप कुछ new experiment करने मिलता है. So I'm using this Sugar's Coral Climax. I hope this counts as a coral peach blush. Okay, so she has asked me to go with a heavy blush look. I've never tried blush in my chin area, so I'm very excited for this to go. So I hope that this counts as a heavy blush, and I forgot to do the nose part. And I also have never did blush on the nose part, and she has asked me to go with a pure gold highlighter. Now I have that molten gold Maybelline's highlighter जो कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, and she has asked me to go with a natural highlighter look. So I'm just going with, this is the shade in the pure gold, molten gold shade, so which counts as a pure gold one. I'm going with this Maybelline Master Chromes. My very natural highlighter look. Like I love to put थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा highlighter. Even I'm loving this look also today because this is just looking so beautiful on my face. Contour she has asked me कि क्योंकि हम लोगों ने blush को थोड़ा ज़्यादा रखा है तो हम लोग contour को थोड़ा कम करेंगे. So I'm going with her command only. So I'm using this Sugar का Vivid Victory palette for this contour, and it has a very light like contour वाला thing, which would just give me a very light contour effect. So this is what my overall blush, contour and highlighter looks like. I've applied a very little contour. Thank you so much Dimpy for choosing my makeup, and I wish to collaborate with you all in future also. For the next step I have my earrings and I have my lipstick, so for which I have chosen Sara Khan. Now we have two Saras in our video. I have Sara Khan for this video. हम लोग कुछ ही टाइम हुआ है, हम लोग फ्रेंड्स बने हैं, and I hope that like in future also we'll collaborate more.
Girl, thank you so much for making me a part of your video. You gave me the choices of lipstick and earrings. So for lipstick, I would love you to go with the Nykaa Nude lipstick, and for earrings, I would love you to wear that hoop pearl earrings. So yeah, thank you so much. Can't wait to see your finished look.
So she was given some choices. जितने भी beauty creators मेरे साथ collaborate करे थे उसमें से यही एक थी जिसको मैंने choices दिया था, and also Alina that to choose within the Beauty Glaze palette. So she was given 3 choices of lipstick and 3 choices of earrings. Photos, which I'll put the photos over here. So she has chosen the Nykaa's nude lipstick and she has chosen a pearl hoop earring. So yes, so I'll do according to her command. So this is the Nykaa's Coffee Mouse lipstick. Now this nude lipstick goes with everything so that it won't look very loud and all, and with this green look it would look very great. I hope so. So I'm using this lipstick. So my lipstick looks like this, and I think it is very much complementing my look. I hope though I'm a very fan of matte lipstick, but then this is okay. This is my go-to favorite lipstick. But I don't actually use it in creating my makeup looks because I love mattes. She has asked me to go with the pearl hoop earrings. So these are my pearl hoop earrings. So yeah, so I'll wear these earrings. I'm gonna use them. This is what my final look looks like. Thank you so much Sara for giving me the options of earrings and lipstick. I have tried to just pull up this look, and this is how it is just looking. I'm very happy that I have just experimented in this look very much, and yes, thank you so much for all of you guys watching. I hope we'll do so many new collabs in future with all these awesome talented beauty creators and a lot of more creators. Guys, thank you for watching. Give support to all of them. Just please subscribe to all of their channels. So guys, Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and please hit that like button and comment down do you like the look or not. Just a new beauty creator, and I hope that you guys will all support me and also subscribe to their channel, and their Instagram links will be provided. They all make some awesome beauty creations. I follow all of them, and you guys also must follow all of them because they make so awesome beauty creations. And all of their YouTube channels are so good, so you make sure that you also subscribe to their channel and follow their Instagram handle. Thank you so much for watching my video. Meet you at the next video. Until then, bye.